What if smoother skin wasn't the only benefit of waxing? Many people notice a natural glow afterward, but why does it happen? Today, we're unveiling the science behind the wax glow. Brazilian waxing is commonly associated with hair removal. However, many individuals report brighter looking, smoother skin afterward. This visible change isn't just cosmetic, it's rooted in skin biology. In this video, we'll explore how waxing interacts with the skin and what creates the appearance of enhanced radiance. The wax glow refers to the temporary improvement in skin brightness and texture following waxing. This effect is primarily linked to surface exfoliation and increased skin clarity. When wax is removed, it lifts hair along with accumulated dead skin cells. This reveals a smoother surface that reflects light more evenly, giving skin a naturally radiant appearance. Waxing functions as a form of mechanical exfoliation. It helps clear pore debris and surface buildup that can make skin appear dull. The process may also stimulate mild circulation, which supports skin renewal. Over time, this can help reduce ingrown hairs and improve overall skin texture. Preparation and aftercare play a major role in achieving the best results. Before waxing, gentle exfoliation and proper hydration support smoother application. Professional technique helps minimize irritation while protecting the skin barrier. After waxing, soothing and hydrating products help calm the skin and maintain its fresh appearance. The wax glow isn't limited to one area. Similar results can be observed on legs, arms, underarms, and facial zones. Maintaining a consistent waxing schedule allows skin to stay smooth while reducing buildup over time. When combined with balanced skincare, waxing can complement a holistic skin health routine. There are common misconceptions surrounding waxing and skin health. When performed correctly, waxing does not damage healthy skin. It does not increase hair thickness or permanently enlarge pores. With proper care, regular waxing may support long-term smoothness and improved texture. The wax glow is more than a visual effect, it's a result of exfoliation, care, and skin renewal. Understanding how your skin responds allows you to make informed self-care choices. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights.